start. Okay, guys, first of all, we just start our live stream and let's check how we go. Okay, so first of all, guys, we need to check our markets. Okay, and I need to check my voice also. Welcome, guys, for today's live stream. Welcome, guys, for today's live. Okay, guys. So I check my voice is too clear, guys. And today, have a very good day for me because in last day we achieved the verified in our profile. That's also get a very crazy thing. And welcome to Plan B 7 to our live stream. Okay, guys. So let's start the today's live session. Let's go, guys. Okay. So hello everyone. Good evening for all of you. First of all, guys, I want to welcome everyone to today's trading session. And my name is Rohit. And today I will be guiding you through some of the most important concept in trading. And today's class will be focused on the very important pillars of trading and the market structure, entry strategy, and the risk management and the trading psychology also. And if you truly understand these three things and apply them correctly, you are trading journey will become much easier and more professional. So always remember one thing, guys, trading is not just about buying and selling. Trading is about discipline, patience, and the strategy. Okay, so let's check, guys, our previous day market analysis and what's our trade will be performed. Okay, so first of all, guys, we go the gold USD, yeah, XAUSD. Okay, guys, let's check. I'm very excited for checking that market and I'm very happy, guys. So I let's check to the our previous market analysis that in. Okay, guys, I just check what in the market do. So first of all, guys, I need to check on my previous. Okay, so in last 22 hours ago, I set a trade on Tether USD, Tether Gold. Okay, so first of all, I need that to open that trade. So that's first of all, I need to go in the crypto bubble for the market and the coin analysis and the coin finding. Okay, first of all, I open that XAUT USD T. Okay, so we just open, guys. You can just check our analysis and our the power of our analysis. Okay, I don't find that. I'm very frustrated right now because that's a very common problem, guys. I analysis on that pair and I don't get back. Okay, I think this symbol is not available. Okay, okay. So, okay, guys, first of all, I need it. Okay, I open the crypto bubble and let's check. Okay, guys, so I give some red packets to our viewers. Okay, so first of all, guys, I check that it's our Tether Gold Tether in which chart. Okay, XAUT. Bitfinex chart. Okay, so I go for the crypto bubble. Sorry for the internet delay, guys. Sorry for the internet delay. So, okay, guys, here we go. And in last day, we just open the chart and we need to the gold. We need the gold. What's the gold here? Yes, guys, in that. Okay. So let's open the chart, guys, because I'm very excited for this trade. Okay. So guys, if you check, that's the our analysis. Okay. So our entry around 53. Okay. So let's go, guys. We check. 53 is our entry. XAU USD. Okay. So you can just check, guys. Market is typically, if I check you guys, the market in hits only that. And guys, if market get trapped and then we'll go here. Wow, guys. So that's a very good pretty trade, guys. And this trade I discussed in my last day. Okay, so you can check our accuracy for this bias of trade in gold. Okay, so that's the main reason, guys. Wow, guys, it's really incredible because that's a really one side move. Gold is up, so will BTC follow? Okay, guys, I checked that. Okay, first of all, I need to capture that, and on this trade, guys, we captured more than 450 pips. That's really too good. Okay, so let's analyze the gold, guys. Okay, so first of all, we analyze in 4 hour time frame. Sorry, guys, for the noise. Sorry, everyone, for this. Okay, guys. So first of all, we draw our trend line for here. So, guys, as our analysis, we can draw here. Okay, and that's, guys. Okay. So as this situation, guys, we trade here. Okay, first of all, I drop their opacity around 20. Okay. So if, guys, market hit that area because that's in a trend line zone. Okay, so we get also get a up bias for here, and our trade setup look like that as a path. First of all, okay, so that's the gold. Will we follow that area after the breakout? Our trade look like that, and our TP is there to that point. Our entry also that section, and SL might of this candle low. Okay, so that is very good trade setup. And let's check the RR. If 1 is to 2, guys, 1 is to 2 easily. So this setup is also work many time. So if you see that level of, so if, so you can easily get this trade because this is our market in our BSL zone, that is buy side liquidity. Okay, so that's the market condition for today. Okay, so okay, guys, let's analyze the BTC. Okay, guys, if you see, guys, okay, in last day, guys, I told you market here and go up. So this is our BTC trade analyze, guys, and that actually dot to dot entry. So this is very crazy, and our BTC trade also running good profit. Okay, so let's check. So in this BTC trade, guys, we have not because done for our this trade logic is also running. Okay, and we now discuss our other things. Okay, because if you check, guys, this trade is going very good. When market hit on that level, and also hit a very good momentum. Okay, okay. So let's get start. Okay. So in this BTC trade, guys, this is too great, and this trade might be get very successful in few hours in our next day. Okay, but this is a very good valuable trade in my mind because that dot to dot entry, guys, if you see, we not get any other thing, guys. If you check my past live stream, I also give the levels, and that market close on that area, dip here, unware entry as our module. If anybody can also pick that trade and they have fear of losing, that also, guys, 200 point up, and current almost 1k price is up, guys, and current. So that's the power of the pure knowledge, and that's the purity of the patient. Okay, guys, because in trading in patient, that help you more. Okay, so okay, guys, this is our BTC trade. So we also move to forgive to our Ethereum to check our result. Okay, so this is, oh sorry, guys, this is, I opened the Ethereum, not the ETH USD. So let's, guys, in this position, this is 11, and in previous day I also provide that, because market not hit our this zone, so well, avoid to trade here. Okay. Okay, guys, so let's check the gold. Okay. Okay, first of all, I remove that and come into 1 minute time frame for quick scalp. Okay, so guys, this zone is important for us. So that position, guys, gold may be fallen. First of all, we check the market inside here. So guys, let's go. I think gold maybe get a fallen in this zone. Okay, so if you manage, so this is 11 point of. Okay, okay. So maybe guys, market will be fallen if market get flow. Okay. So first of all, guys, I add the session chart. Okay, session on chart. Okay. What is that? Okay. So gold will be fallen, guys. So So we just check the market, guys, and 30 minutes and 1 minute for execution. And if you know that also, obviously. Whew. So okay, guys, we're obviously waiting for this level, and that's our really do for as that. And if anybody, so that's our market is too volatile right now, guys. Okay, so okay, guys, we just wait for waiting and check the Ethereum, guys. We'll go for here, but we not analyze. Okay, guys. So this is Ethereum right now, guys, in 1 minute time frame structure. So, guys, we need some putting some entry. So, okay, guys, this is confirmation. So, if market will do here, so we obviously put trade on that position. Okay, and our vessel will be in that. Okay, let's check, guys, what to the market do. Okay, okay, okay. So this is our bias, guys, because this in a very good zone. Okay, first of all, we need to go. Okay, okay. First of all, we need to do here, guys. Okay, okay. First of all, we need to hear, guys. Okay, and this position, guys, the market will be, I think, reverse. Okay, so first of all, guys, we need to check again and gold. Okay, so in this point, guys, we really okay, guys. First of all, I need to check our all of this, and then we think get make out some better. Okay, 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 okay. So this is the coin chart bubble. So let's check the ICP token for analyze. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, guys. So let's analyze this token deeply. Okay, guys. Market is doing in a up channel, guys. So as a this flag, okay, and what the most of this section, okay, and so as that time in PC ICP token, so okay, 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 so remaining So as these guys, we really need to sum that how even the market goes up. Okay. So but guys, as per this flow, okay. So guys, if I open, sorry, and for that time guys, our trade look like that, and our SL is on this low of our current low. Okay, this our the current low. So there is the SL and our TP as based on buy side liquidity based. Okay, so these R zones are very good and important. So that market will be most probably chance to be hit easily, because this frame is hardly there to there, and even in a high spike will be accepted because this market structure. Okay, so as our expectation for IPS token, and let's see what does the market do for there. And will Bitcoin follow as always the boost the dollar? Sure, for sure, guys. This is effective in some cases. So okay, guys, let's check the next coin. Okay, okay. So adds the market momentum. So there is the market structure right now. Okay, wow. So this is the great, guys. So let's check the other token is APT. Let's check the APT, guys. For what's the reason for the APT? Okay. First of all, I need to take a very good momentum. Okay. So as per this coin, guys. Okay, market is fallen. Let's check, guys, what's happened in market. Then we discuss about of that. Okay. So I think we analyze in a higher time frame for better analysis. Okay. In last 1 hour, the token is purely dumping. Okay. So as today's, And if we analyze that our previous to this previous, so that the data look like that, dot to dot entry. So we wait for any confirmation, and if market break or sign of any bullish, okay, so then we enter another dot. After the bullish candle, when then market get a dip, then we can enter when market will be come back here. Okay, so our strategy look on this trade, market goes down, and when if market breaks, we can trade, then we place and our TP in that area, and our trade look like that. Okay, this is our SL. So 1:5 around. Okay, so that's trade we look when market gets some bullish structure. Okay, so if market do that, so then we enter another node. So that level is too crazy. So market is in a currently downtrend, and we watch every candle that's inspires us to how the market goes, and that actually the faculty of a market, because if market have a great pressure, so we also take a long position every time. So if we check that, so market is truly in a downtrend position. Okay, okay, so let's check guys, do anything. So guys, in this session, market take a rejection. Okay, so this rejection we also need, because that's also a sign of bullish rejection. If we come back in 1 minute, so market structure is continuous bullish, so this the confirmation. Okay, so we also wait for that guys, we also wait for that when market goes there, so only on that point we can enter the market. Okay, okay, so let's check the our another token for analysis. Okay, and for trade, so let's check the soul guys. First of all, the Ondo. Next is our Okay, so that's our on the chart, guys. Okay, okay, guys, this trade will be dead. Okay, so that's the last scene of our Ondo coin. Okay, so first of all, I remove all of this, then we go. Okay, so let's check, guys. Let's check what's due in the market. Okay, guys, so this zone is too important for that. Okay, so on this section, guys, okay, our trade will be done if market goes down, then market goes up. Okay, as path, market goes down, one breakout, then retest, then entry as long. Okay, and our trade look like that. Our SL on that. Okay, and TP also 1:2. Okay, and because this is our BSL zone, because guys, I also love the BSL zone too much for taking my trades. Okay, because guys, this is our BSL, that our buy side liquidity zone. This is our buy side liquidity zone. Okay, so check. Okay, guys, for that. Okay, okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, so let's check the BTC right now. What's the position? So, guys, take this trades because this is very good trade. So I also captured a snapshot. Okay, guys. So in BTC, guys, our first TP is just slightly missed. But don't worry, guys. That's the power of patience. Okay. So this is our TP1, guys. So that's our the main reason of the patient, guys. Okay. Because guys, we take also last day, so few trades are not hitting our limits, and the two trades are hit our zone, and market is slightly going for this. So if you say that the how many as respect of that sub zone, and if you really be a good trader, you also need to track the markets. Okay, because guys, as a good trader, you also know to capture the market. Okay. Okay, guys, so our BTC trade running in a good profit, so don't worry. So in Ethereum, guys, we also plan some scalp. Okay, so let's check the Ethereum trade. Okay, as a quick flash, let's check the Ethereum, guys. Okay, guys, Ethereum trade also got running. So I also take a snapshot for our Ethereum trade, and welcome everyone to joining our live stream. So let's see. Check a night token. Okay, guys, let's check the night. And next, check our soul. And next, check an BNB. And this our last three coin analysis. Okay, let's check, guys. So this is our BNB chart. Okay. Yes, guys. We also think about a breakdown, and also, guys, market hit and get a breakdown. Okay, let's check. So, guys, market is a bullish channel right now. Oh, sorry, guys. First of all, I removed that. Sorry, everyone. Sorry. I just play. So, this is an uptrend. So, now, guys, we add a fib for proper entry, and this is our bind zone here. So, in this case, need to, okay, and this zone is important. Okay, so if guys BNB hit that area, so when we take a long, and this long have a as a swing position. Okay, because this have a very good long term chase, our SL is this low for sure. And our next liquidity pool area. Okay, so our trade look like that, guys, because this is a very good trade, and this is a very swing trade and very long term trade, positional trade. Okay. Okay, so guys, when market hit that position, we also will go for this liquidity zone. Okay, that is our BSL zone. So obviously, market go for them. Okay, so this is a very positional trade, guys. Okay, so okay, guys, let's check the other token. Okay, first of all, I need to check. Okay, so let's check, guys. Okay, guys, that I said the 80 zone, guys. When market break, so easy selling, guys, easy. So first of all, I remove my past analysis. So as okay, first of all, I need to get a long time frame for better market structure analysis. Okay, okay, so when market hits that area, okay, and I also apply a fib. Oh, this is position, not fib. Okay, and this zone is important. So and if market dips that, and our trade look like in a long position, SL is this low, high of this, and is quietly 1:2. Okay, for the best liquidity buy sell zone. Okay, so this is the zone, guys, as Solana. Okay, so let's check our last night token. Okay, guys. Okay, so guys, market is in a very good zone. Okay, so this is market is now at that point. So when market break that level, So after market break, we can enter for this long setup. Okay, so this is a pretty good trade. Okay, and that's also a positional trade. So that the market structure do, and this variable is very important in trading. Okay, so okay guys, let's check. So we also done our analysis. So now guys, we come to our main important session of part of this live. Okay, so we just discuss about the risk management for better markets. So now we come to the most important part of trading, that's risk management. And to be honest guys, even if someone has an average strategy, they can still survive in market with a proper risk management. But without any risk management, account usually get blown very quickly. And as a professional trader and mentor, I give some golden rule for you guys. The rule number one is guys, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account in a single trade. Example, if your account balance is $1,000, your risk per trade should be around $10 to $20 as per risk management. Okay, and the rule number two, guys. Now we come to the rule number two. The smart money often the collect. Okay, and rule number two, guys, is avoid the revenge trading. After a loss, many traders try to recover immediately and end up the losing even more. So that's a bad thing to take revenge trade. Okay. So rule number three. Okay, gold is up. Will be BTC follow? Obviously, Tiger. That's effective too. But gold is the safe haven asset. So if that, so BTC will be goes up. So that is slightly correct. And okay, guys, the last rule, rule number three, is always use a stop loss. Because, guys, trading without a stop loss is like driving a car without brakes. So, okay, I also discuss about that topic. So now, guys, we discuss about the trading psychology, because guys, psychology as also needed in trading. Now let's talk about the trading psychology, which is responsible for almost 80% of trading success. Okay, so first is guys fear. And many traders close trades too quickly. They are afraid of losing profit. Okay. And next thing is greed. Sometimes the traders want more profit and they ignore their plan, which often that turn the profit into loss. A second is the patient, because professional trader always wait for the perfect setup. Okay, and always remember this rule: no setup, no trade. The market will always there tomorrow, but your capital is limited. So take it very importantly. Okay, so okay guys, follow my display and claim the red packet, because guys the red packet is unlocked, so you can obviously claim that red packet. Okay, okay, Alam, your claim the red packet. So okay guys, we're now in our closing time. So today we learned the market movement and the entry module, and also risk management and trading psychology. Okay, so if you practice this concept and apply them with your discipline, backtest your strategy and control your emotions. Thank you everyone for joining today's session. I hope you learned something valuable today. Okay, and before ending this session, I want to give some final advice. That first is, guys, focused on learning, not earning. The second is, do not jump from strategy to strategy. Third, guys, is practice on a demo account before trading on the real money. And mostly important, stay patient and disciplined in trading, because guys trading success does not happen the overnight, but become a profitable trader. Thank you everyone for attending today's session. I hope you learned something valuable, and if you have any question, free to ask. Okay, the crypto granny. Is Ethereum a good buy dip opportunity? Also, I also said that, guys, because I also provide the level on Ethereum. I just show that on the chart. Okay, I open the Ethereum chart, guys, for you, and we run a good profit and Ethereum USDT. Let's check. Okay, so that the Ethereum running, guys. Okay, so so I hope you learned something valuable, guys. If you have any question, feel to ask me. And okay, guys, so we're now closing. Thank you everyone for joining today's session. I hope you learned something valuable today. See you in next live session. Happy trading everyone. Okay, bye bye guys.